Okay, I got it propped up a little better. So, try to put this triple tree together. I figure I'll put the fork together first, maybe. I never did it before. Maybe that's a good place to start. This up here. Yeah, right. Tighten this one down. Make sure these are straight. No, there's two screws right here, one right here. So I'm gonna tighten. It's actually 3 screws over here. It's one up here, but we're not gonna do that one right now. I'm gonna tighten this a little. Okay, same thing on this side. 2 screws right here. I'm gonna tighten those. So a little hold this fork in place. I want to. That one might be okay. Okay, this is what it looks like assembled. I'm gonna take the top off, and I'm hoping to just slide this up in there. And once it's on the bike, I can make the adjustments. I'm gonna take the crown off. This bolt holding it right here. These are still pretty loose. A little. I'm gonna start taking this fork down. I'm thinking correctly. The only thing I need to remove is this brake lever right here from the handlebars. Just gonna let the handlebars sit back here, and then I'm gonna have to go in there and remove this this cutoff wire right here, little brake cutoff wire. So I have to go in there to remove that. But other than that, I'm just gonna remove this brake lever right here and remove the stem. I might have to remove the display to get to these bolts that's holding this handlebar riser on. I'll just finish taking this lever off. So screw right here. It's holding the display on. I have to mod this a bit to get it to work. Some nut in there. Don't want to lose that right now. So I'll put the screw in place so it'll keep the nut in place. These handlebars loose. Put it in there. Yeah. A lot of turns. I love the setup. How much of a difference those make. Look to another. Sometimes it's endless. Like there's a bunch of stuff. It's one of these. I thought it was 2. Yeah. There's 2 screws holding this crown on. So loosen those. thing doesn't fall or anything like that. Prop her up. There's one more screw right there. I forgot about that one. Just crown up off of there. Then took a little prod and everything, but I got it off. Just this kind of bigger up there, I guess.
King James sound disturbed.
What I'm gonna do once I have. Alright, that's where I'm at with it. I just gotta drop the front out now. So I'm looking for something that hopefully I could kind of perch the front up with, or catch the front up with or something, or under there somewhere. I took this panel off to come in here and try to find the brake cutoff where I could disconnect this at. I found a wire and I gotta find what's connected at. Okay, I was able to pull the brake cutoff wire out. I gotta find something to try and prod this front of this bike up. So far this came. Take this out. I like to document these things so I can remember what I did. Sometimes you kind of forget. And now the ball bearings are seated. There. Man, I gotta take all this stuff out. I'm not gonna take that out till I get this propped up. Okay, not very stable, but I got it propped up on this stool. Crazy. So now I'm gonna take these top bearings out. Okay, this bottom bearing kind of popped out. Now I have to get this out and the top one. So I could put this cup in to hold the bearings in place. A little bit seated this way, up under here. I need to go in this way here, but I need this under there. So now I'm faced with getting this out. Okay, I got it propped up a little better, and been banging away at this thing for a minute. So I don't know. But this one is not very good, I would imagine. Alright, so I gotta get something else, but I'm gonna wrap it up for right now. Then I'll figure something else out. So, I just gotta get these bearing races out, the top and the bottom.